I'm Kaz, and I've been living around the world for the past 2 years. This week, I'm checking out a side of Vegas that most people don't know about. This is how the locals live.
This is why I love Vegas. You make reservations by texting a secret number.
Secret speakeasy, let's go.
Starting to see people come down here and have like all these independent businesses that are thriving. To me, downtown Las Vegas is the strip's rebellious little sister.
This is my home. We do original recipes, and I think we do a really good job of surprising people's palates. I really love Las Vegas. There is a lot of museums, cool antique shops.
This is my Vegas. You are in the underground, the Bob Museum's newest exhibit space. So the distillery next door, we're making our own moonshine, bottled at 100 proof.
There's video on this thing, right?
Vegas has developed a real cultural center in downtown that most people don't realize when they first come here.
This is our community.
No idea that this was here, like right in the middle of downtown. What is this?
Yeah, welcome to Fergusons Residential. See Airstreams, tiny houses. It's where we live.
There's that energy and creativity and innovation that can help you be the most successful you possibly could be.
So this is Big Rig Jig. It was built by Mike Ross for Burning Man.
It's almost like a speakeasy within the larger Vegas.
This is my Vegas. So what's the deal with downtown Las Vegas?
It's actually really funky and cool, awesome to live down here, really art driven. This is our Hunter S. Mash, named after Hunter S. Thompson. Hunter S. Thompson, Hunter S. Thompson.
Wow, the Hunter S. Smash.
So back in the day, people used to come to the bar to watch the atomic test bombs go off.
What, right over here? Guess we didn't know about radiation back then.
Welcome to the bunkhouse.
What is it like to be a local?
Downtown Las Vegas is a gritty and magical place. The Killers have played here. Imagine Dragons stopped by. There's a lot of new faces and there's always a lot of new energy. Now we've seen tech companies moving here. A great example is Zappos.
I had no idea that this is what Vegas was all about.